Hi everybody, Dave Novak, Prevention Pest Control. We get a lot of calls 12 months out of the year for mice, especially this time of year when there's the change in temperatures. It goes from snow to 50 back, the mice get moving. And I would tell you 9 out of 10 calls we get, we always seem to find the entry point, which is on an air conditioner. So one thing I would advise you to do is check your house. If you look here, this line coming in from the outside, they use this putty. And if you see how that's wide open in there like that, what happens is it gets old, it gets brittle, it pulls away from the house, and now you have an entry point for mice to get in. So you can always call somebody like me, come out, treat for mice, that's fine. What we normally do is on the phone, before we come out, I normally say, hey, go out and look at your air conditioning line. Most of the time it's wide open. You pull that putty off, you can either go to Lowe's or Home Depot for $3 or $4. They sell a big block of it. You can take a piece of steel wool, some foam, some caulking, get that thing sealed up. You won't have any more problems. Until next time, you guys hang in there. Spring's right around the corner.